Combined tasks of a tanker and cargo aircraft by refueling fighters and simultaneously carrying the fighter support personnel and equipment on overseas deployments. Primarily a refueler, you can look to your right now, you'll see he's got his boom down. Two different types of refuelers, the boom type that you're seeing right now, and then the CC-150 that we saw earlier with the hoses and the baskets.
21 altimeter 295, or the KC-10 just overflying runway 33. They're going to be turning southwest, climbing 10. I have a clearance call for sure.
And we're only going to have one pass of this, so we'll get lots of photos on this pass of the KC-10 extender. Aircraft can transport up to 75 people and nearly 170,000 pounds of cargo in a distance of 4,400 miles or 7,000 kilometers to anywhere in the world.
Have a great